B.E.S.T scheme is probably one of the best things that had actually happened to me during that real tough time, and the impact that it made was nigh on monumental.
Robbie and I met up once in person, and Robbie told me a little bit about his background and about how he'd suffered with mental health in the past, and I recommended support services to Robbie, and Robbie thrived. He thrived in the workplace and progressed in the role as well and got a promotion within that job. So it was just wonderful to see Robbie's journey and to see how well he's doing.
Knowing that there was funding for the fuel costs and just the ongoing support, that impact itself took the weight of the world off my shoulders. It really made me aware that I wasn't on my own. I didn't have to struggle sort of dealing with mental health as well. Knowing that the financial support was there, it was something that impacted me in many, many ways. It certainly gave me the confidence to still push for a promotion, knowing that I didn't have to worry about anything financially. To be recognised for dedication, which is something that I hold quite close to my heart, is that whatever I do, it's 110%.
I think that winning this award has given Robbie a real confidence boost, and it's very well deserved.
It was nice just to be nominated, let alone win the award, and when I was told, it was, yeah, brilliant.